Did you know that India is among the top 5 solar power generating countries in the world? And our solar industry is growing at more than 100% every year. Well, it makes sense, right? Solar energy is clean, green, and most importantly, amazingly cost-effective. That's why we at Smart Roof Solar take pride in being the industrial solar experts of India. We help industry owners with highly customized solar energy plants that reduce electricity costs, increase profitability, and add a layer of reliability against grid-related power cuts. Isn't that great? Tell you what, get in touch with our client relationship team today and allow them to explain the whole process in the easiest possible manner and offer you a great deal as well. Do it now, because solar makes sense, complete business sense.